You're about to see a six-figure marketer lose it all. Viewer discretion is advised.
Jonah, Tommy here. Guess what happened to all your stuff? I made it go away. Poof! Like Harry Potter. And it worked too, that's the crazy part. You know how you're always saying, oh, if I lost it all, I can just get it easily back again? Well, here's your chance, buddy. Because in the next 24 hours, I have a challenge for you. If you can make $100 from internet marketing with no connections, not even your internet connection, then, my friend, you get it all back. Good luck.
Jono kept telling people that if he lost it all, he'd be back in profits within 24 hours. Well, now he gets to prove it. With no tools, assets, connections, not even an internet connection at home, Jono has 24 hours to make $100. That's 24 hours to prove that it's possible for anyone to make money online with zero resources or cash. If he fails, he loses everything.
Hello, I need $100. I need. Why are you laughing? I need help before tomorrow. Hello, I need $100 before tomorrow. They stripped me bare of all my assets. I need $100.
Being a super affiliate, it's often hard to imagine what I'd do if I lost all my high-tech tools and my email list, having to start again from ground zero. Luckily, I learned all of this stuff the hard way. I've been there before, and I can definitely go there again.
Only this time with you watching over Jono's shoulder as he fights his way back to the top again, sharing all his secrets along the way.
Watch as I go from zero to $100 per day, starting from nothing. No email list, no special tools, no ad budget, and no help from my friends. Copy my exact rags to riches strategy and paste it into action for yourself.
If you want to know the fastest way to hundreds of dollars a day with no experience needed and no further investment, this is your chance. Right here, right now.
Watch me in real time as I work my magic and unveil the exact strategy that continues to bring in 3 to 4 figures for me per day. Simply copy what I do and say hello to financial freedom and abundance.
What I'm about to show you inside of 0 to 100 in 24 hours is not a flash in the pan gimmick. This is a real sustainable business model that you can scale to the moon.
0 to 100 in 24 hours also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk.
Do yourself a favour and stop buying those products that leave out most of the important parts. Discover the fast-track blueprint to success that real six-figure marketers are using. You owe it to yourself.
Inside of the members area, you'll not only learn how I went from 0 to $100 with no cash, no connections and no advantages, but you'll also get to continue with this movie, where you'll see me using a public library just to get an internet connection, plus a ton of other obstacles that I had to go through. It's really fun to watch, but more importantly, you get to copy exactly what I did. That means that if you click that buy button down below, you can expect to make $100 within the next 24 hours, just like I did. Click the button down below now to become a part of this today. The search is finally over.